Not sure if your processing qualifies? We've created a practical DPIA checklist and screening guide, built for real-world use. Click the link in the description to access the full DPIA guide. Save hours of work and reduce your compliance risks. So, you need to conduct a DPIA, but where do you start? Let's walk through the key steps based on GDPR best practices. Step 1. Define the purpose and scope of your data processing. What data will you collect? Why? And how will it be used? Step 2. Map the data flows. Visualize how personal data moves through your system, from collection to storage, sharing, and deletion. Step 3. Identify risks. Think about possible harm to individuals, like loss of confidentiality, discrimination, or profiling. Step 4. Define mitigation measures. These are technical and organizational safeguards, encryption, access controls, policies, etc. Step 5. Get your DPOs advice, and consult the supervisory authority if required. This step is often mandatory under GDPR Article 36. Want to save hours and avoid missing critical steps? Download our DPIA guide and template. It includes visuals, flow map examples, and ready-to-use risk tables. Link in the description.